Hello and welcome to Order Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a two-handed figure eight. Now, knowing how to do a standard figure eight and maybe a left-handed figure eight would both be helpful. So I'll put links to those in the description below, so it's nice and quick for you to find them if you want to go back and recap them. But we're going to jump straight in. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle, offering the hand. We're stepping back to two hands. We're actually going to take the hands just a fraction down to the right because you're prepping the lady just so she's ready immediately to go straight into a turn. We step in, we take both hands over the lady's head. We get one turn in. When we step back, we are now in a double cross position. So we've got our double cross. You could do all kinds of funky moves, funky variations that use a double cross off of this move by just cutting the ending off. So now we're going to go around, return the lady, drop both hands forwards but keep them high. Guy goes round to the left underneath them, dips them a little bit early so they're in front of his face. As he continues to turn, he takes them across, gets another turn out of it for the lady. And the easy exit is as you send the lady back, the guy steps left, you release with the right as you do a travelling return, and you end up just left or right at the end. So let's do that again from this side, so see the other view, and we'll give you numbers. So we go back 1, turn 2, back 3, return 4, guys round 5, ladies round 6, men out of the way 7, travelling return 8, and back 1, and that's it. That's the whole thing. So let's try it to a count together. Here we go. 5, 6, two-handed figure 8. We go back. Ladies, look, return, guys, ladies, out of the way, travelling return, and you're done. And that is the whole thing. I hope you find that useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell because that's going to help promote the move, the channel and dancing generally. And notifications will mean you never miss anything if you've got them turned on. That's in the settings. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.